All that, when we used to get in a temper, you remember they sitting there? Welcome to part 2. When I did younger on a holiday, them used to like send you away. I used to spend time with my auntie in a Kingston, yeah. Save you, run a water food. Auntie Fair, big up yourself, Auntie Fair. Good times, man. When we were younger, we used to have like fears, treats. I think them still have them sitting there too. Mango man used to pass through when a mango time. Like all in that summer, you know. Past Sunday, you have the ice cream man on him bike. Mad sitting. I remember so we used to like any fruit season we usually go hunt fruits. Everybody used to have the tangerine tree. Hey, when a tangerine season, everybody smell think, you know. Everybody green, you know. I talk about young picking, everybody green a tangerine, you know. Any yard the tangerine there we are go for. But I know much people remember sweet cup. Sweet cup is something like passion fruit, but the shell is hard. We used to have a sweet cup tree in the back of my yard. House and skirt every day me down there. Every day me down there. All when the tree, you know, in a season. When we were younger, yo, me used to love my tea when me did young. Love me Milo tea. When me say love me Milo tea, me mean love me Milo tea. Me no want nothing else for drink. When we did younger still, in, boys used to rock the ponytail. We still have mine. Still have mine from then time. I joke, man. Me never used to rock them when me younger. That's why I have this now. You see me? So what? I'm a gangster. Don't try to run up on me. Alright, calm down. Yo, when we did younger, like, if your friend them did find out say I get beaten, or if you have like cousin and they find out say I gonna get beaten, I want a terrible thing, you know, cause you know where them are gonna come with.
Yes, man. Yes, man. This way you know. Pashai. Yes, no. Spanish tone. Mama, I go beat you with the doodle stick.
It's like whenever you find out that somebody ever get licked, are one of the best feelings in the world. Like you can't help but just tease the hell out of them. But when you feel time to get the lick, you don't want nobody say nothing to you. Remember when we did younger and we used to look through book? And remember that foolishness that we used to do?
Mine. I mind this. Me say I mind it. Me not look through nothing with you again. Me tell you say I mind. Anything over here so I mind.
Yeah, man, we used to like look through the book them and claim the things that we see in there. Sometimes we did fool enough for you like a lick off the page for food.
I mind.
Yo, them fools still, you know? Yo, them fool your friend. When you used to see car up on the road or some Chris car, never used to know the name. Call him Chris car. He used to say, my car that. Humba bike. You remember when we were younger, we used to make like get the straws in and put a green pebble where grew up on like a bush. Put them in there. And when we used to make like fold the lollipop stick in a half, get the pencil points in, get a rubber band, bust the rubber band, push down the rubber band, now the lollipop stick, then push down the pencil point in and then fold up paper and put it in there. When elastic season, you know, man, everybody I get shot up, you know. We are shoot anything can fit in that, you know. This me attack. This when you used to put this in there.
Bumbo.
You don't remember Pop Shot? When you used to get like the young apple blossom them and put in a pen, knock it down from one side, and get piece of bamboo. Bush shot from people. I see I like smoke come out of it when you're done. And some things I used to do like when we were younger. Remember we used to go like bird hunting. We always used to walk through shortcut, you know. But back in the time they it kinda safe, you see me, like nowadays you don't know where to walk. You can't walk on the main street. But when we were younger, like me and my brethren them we used to walk through shortcut and sit and hunt rose apple. Mango they really there in a mandable still, but we used to try hunt mango them time there. More time we just like go up on the hillside where Alpart dig off and we just go there and beat a stone board and sitting there. Yo, when we were younger, January start like life was like the best at that time. But when you get big, man, it's like a stress. Jesus Christ. But back in the time, they couldn't wait for grow up. But when you grow up now, you kind of realize like having a childhood pause. Being younger was something that you should, treasure. You will never see the same day twice. So just treasure the moments you have. Anything we never really talk about in detail is probably in this video or this video. Or whatever we miss out, you can just comment below. Comment below. You do the maths, cause I can't. I'm dyslexic. What does being dyslexic have to do with not being able to do math?
Yes, man.